Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. On today's video we are making homemade neem powder, organic homemade neem powder. Do you see how greenish this neem powder is? Yes, it's pure organic homemade neem powder. If you want your neem powder to be so potent, so organic, I'll show you how to prepare that. And please stop wasting money by buying this in the market. Some of them they miss something, and that is why you may use neem powder. They are not working for you because they are not pure neem powder. So prepare it in the comfort of your home, and you'll be sure on what you are drinking, or you'll be sure on the recipe you are using on your hair, and you're going to get the best results this neem powder supposed to give to you, because it's pure organic neem powder. To make this neem powder in the comfort of your home is to pluck fresh neem leaf. So this is my neem leaf, okay? So this neem leaf of the stem, I've already plucked. I pluck very batch of this neem leaf because I want very batch of neem powder. Okay, that's why I'm going for batch one. So I've already plug this one out of the stem off camera, so that I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so I remain this particular stick so that to show you guys how to remove it from the stem. So that's what I'm showing you now. Just plug it out of the stem. What we need is only the leaf. We don't need the stick. Okay, plug until you are through plugging the leaf out of the stem, and you move to the next step. The property on neem can kill the organs of causing dandruff. Neem can cleanse and strengthen hair follicles, which can lead to stronger, healthy hair. Is an antioxidant that can prevent premature graying. Neem can help stop itching scalp, dandruff. Neem can kill lice and their eggs. Neem contains vitamins and mineral and fatty acid that can also improve hair texture and reduce breakage and split ends. Neem can moisturize the scalp and treat scalp infections. So what I did after plugging it, now I pour in water into the neem so that I can wash it. This is super dirty. Okay, wash this so that you make sure that the water is clean. Remember, we are making organic neem powder, meaning it makes sure that everything is super clean, because when you want to drink the tea, you know what you are taking in, and also you know what you are applying on your hair. Okay, so wash it very well. Make sure that the water is clean. I wash mine almost 4 to 3 times. Once the water is clean, I will stop washing it and move to the next step. I finally wash it 4 times. I washed twice in the camera, I wash other 2 off camera. So total I washed this 4 times because it's super dirty. We are in dry season. Okay, so that's why this leaf is very dirty. Please make sure you wash it very well to be super clean before you move to the next step. So next thing I will do now, I will go outside now to sun dry this. Okay, I spray my bag on the floor and sun dry this. Okay, make sure that I spray the neem leaf pieces so that they can dry quickly. And also the bag I'm using is also clean. Remember, we are making organic neem powder, so that if I want to take it as a tea, I'm sure that what I'm taking is very clean. Okay, so that it will be very good on my health. Okay, because if you don't prepare it in your home, those one they make in the markets, is they cannot wash it the way you wash it. That's why it's called organic homemade, because everything, make sure that everything is super clean. So I tried this only about 2 days and it already got dry. Do you see how dry this leaf is now? only 2 days and they're already dry. And you see how greenish the leaf is still. This leaf is so greenish, but sometimes my camera is not really doing justice on the greenish of this leaf, but I believe that I can see the greenish. So I just pack it into this bowl and bring it back into the house so that I will move to the next process. The next process is what? Blending process. Use a blender that is very strong so that this can come into a very powder form. Okay, blend until you through blended this, and your blender should be super clean. And also, this is a powder form. Make sure your blender is free of moisture, like free of water. Secondly, make sure that your blender is clean, and just go ahead and blend this until you through blending it. Use a blender that is very strong so that it can come out into a very smooth powder form. That's where you can enjoy this neem powder. Okay, do you see how powder this neem leaf is? Do you see how powder this particular one is? Very smooth, very powdery. So I'm going to blend. So this is the last stage of this blending process. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the remaining leaf into the blender and blend them all. Okay, so after blending it, I'll be right back. Our neem powder is ready. So simple to prepare, guys. To make this neem powder so that it will be less stress for you, try to make it in this dry season, in this winter period, because to prepare it into the to make this neem powder in this winter period, it will be so easy for you. It take me only 2 days to dry this leaf. So dry, to dry this leaf, very dry. But if it's in a rainy season, it will take me up to 5 to 7 days before I can dry it. Maybe on that process the leaf will start getting dirty or different, you understand. But this dry season is very easy to dry and is very in a safer side. In fact, is in a safer side because it will not take you days, just 2 days and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make your homemade neem powder, and you are 100% sure that you are using pure neem powder. And another way to make it, to make sure it don't lose all the nutrients through the drying process, is to don't bring it out when the sun is too harsh. Once the sun has become too harsh, bring it out from the sun, and once the sun, the harshness have come down, bring it back again. That's how I make this neem powder. And also I have a video on how I make moringa powder. If you have not seen that video will be under on the end screen, or I will link it down below, or anywhere at all, or on card. Just check it. Okay, that video is very helpful. You can use this as your deep condition, your hair mask, your tea spray. You can also prepare the tea and drink it. It's also good in our body. Okay, there are different ways you can use this on your hair to grow that crazy hair growth. So I just transfer it into this my container, okay, to stock it. This thing can last up to 2 years to 3 years. So far that it not come in contact with moisture. Okay, you are good to go. I hope I convinced you not to deceive you on how to make your neem powder. I hope I have encouraged you on how to make your own neem powder at home. Please stop buying it in the market, okay, and prepare your own in the comfort of your home. So guys, please like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.